Germany is a nation of renters. We have by far the lowest home ownership rate, with Switzerland. With expats coming from other countries, it's different. Some come from home-owning cultures, so they also want to buy a home here in Germany. We'll talk more about the renting versus buying debate in another video, but coming back to the large German real estate websites, who do you think they're more catering to? To future homeowners or to real estate investors?
Well, I would say it's for both, right? But it's primarily for homeowners. I mean, everyone can advertise the property in Immobilienscout, as we mentioned before. You can also find great offers and reasonable offers on Immobilienscout, or don't get me wrong, but I believe it's more for homeowners, right? And what we offer to our clients is off-market properties. Why off-market? I mean, off-market means out of the market, so the properties are not even advertised in Immobilien, per mail, so we really want to give that individual service to our clients. And the benefit of it is that the clients have that, the property is individual reserved for our clients, right? There is a smaller group of interest parties, which makes it easier for everyone, right? So, I mean, if you're having a property on Immobilienscout for a great price, and if we compare that with Munich, I mean, you know how it is here. Like, imagine there are 20 people coming at the same time to see that property. Probably out of 20, 10 remain, right? And at the end, there are just 3 people who really want to buy this property. And what happens at that time, in most cases, the bidding process starts, right? So sometimes you end up paying way more for the property than before, than even for off-market property. So this is, I would say, kind of a concern, because you want to also go with that, with the other buyers. You wanna show that you can go ahead with the price. You can bid more. But I'm a fan, and my clients also love that we can offer the off-market properties.
This is what really started. When was it, like 2018, 19, 20 or something, when sellers learned that if they basically start an auction and a bidding war, they can scrape way much from the property, which is insane if you think about it, right?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I mean, you also have to, if you go for a property on Immobilienscout, again, you have to do all the examination. You have to do all the research, right? And sometimes it looks very nice in the beginning, and then it ends up not really make a profit for you. So, I mean, check both, but I'm a fan of off-market properties for sure.
Less competition.